Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Tomi token, T-O-M-I. That is the ticker symbol for this token here and the name of the token. This token is about to get a brand new central exchange listing in 2 days. January 16th, it will be listed on a central exchange. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Tomi token. So, Tomi, paired with USDT, will be listed in the spot trading innovation zone. 12 o'clock UTC time, January 16th on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search TOMI, and then you'd simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So it will be listed on the 16th. 12 o'clock UTC time. So their official Twitter is at Tomi Pioneers. It says Tomi Pioneers creates a complete alternative world, World Wide Web that combines the best of Web 2 and Web 3 technology. So they have a details page here on their announcement, which just happened 7 hours ago on Mexc Global's Twitter. So you can check out their details page. And they talk about, they have listed here their webpage, their block explorer, their Twitter, their Telegram, their Discord, and their full white paper. It says, Tomi creates a complete alternative World Wide Web, combines the best of Web 2 and Web 3 technology for a privacy-preserving, self-governed, and self-funding internet. Anyone can access this parallel web through a Tomi browser, freeing themselves from the surveillance and control of large organizations which have come to dominate the World Wide Web. Rather than reinventing the entire infrastructure, Tomi takes basic working building blocks of the web and supplements them with governance, cryptocurrency, identity, and privacy layers that allow the people who use the Tominet to be the governors of the web through the direct democracy DAO. So, circulating supply of this token, it says, is 39 million tokens. Now, they do have a pretty lengthy white paper. It is 22 pages long, a very tiny print. But if you want to find out, just basic cliff notes of what this is all about, just the basic info, go over to Tomi.com. Over there, they have links to their browser, TDNS, Tomi DAO, Arts DAO, Pioneers, Nodes, and Tomi Pay. So those are all the utilities there. It says alternative internet controlled by the community, designed to promote free web, free world, and free economy. Join us in this journey to shape the future. Also free speech. Mint event is live, so you can mint, looks like, I assume that would be tokens or NFTs. It doesn't actually clarify. But yeah, so within the ecosystem here, they do have NFTs, it says right here. So within the ecosystem, they have NFTs, a multi-chain wallet, a DAO. DAO, basically, you get voting rights for either holding tokens or NFTs, a certain amount of tokens maybe. Enables you, a lot of the times, it's the more tokens you hold, the more voting power you have. They have their own browser, like I mentioned earlier, a decentralized cloud, TDNS, and Web3 computers. Tomi MP1 Cloud Computer, a Web3 server that generates massive computing power. It's got complex simulations, photorealistic rendering, real-time ray tracing, accelerated artificial intelligence, AI augmented applications, virtual reality applications, and blockchain GPU mining. Also, they have the TDNS, which stands for Tomi Domain Naming System, controlled only by Tomi's pioneers community through a DAO, making it censorship resistant to allow free speech. Also, they have the Tomi browser, access the Tominet. Browse the World Wide Web and the Tominet in a secured and anonymous powerful browser. Also, TomiPay, multi-chain digital wallet for tokens, NFTs, and dApp browser. And they have Pioneers are Tomi's governance community, and you can join and get NFTs and tokens by joining a waitlist. Now, I don't know if it says mint now at the top of the page, so you may be able to mint some now, and if not, you'll have to join a waitlist. And so, yeah, they have frequently asked questions on here. What is Tomi? We already went over that. What is Tomi MP1? So Tomi's MP1 is a Web3 interconnected machine that can perform a variety of services not limited to mining of cryptocurrencies, decentralized applications, 3D printing, rendering, AI, ray tracing, and more. Additionally, each Tomi miner is rewarded native tokens relative to their participation in the network. So why should I use the MP1 instead of a regular mining computer? There's a huge paragraph about that. Can I invest in Tomi? It says, no, Tomi is a private company whose operations are financed strictly with private funds, but obviously you can get the token, the NFTs, that type of stuff. Is purchasing a Pioneer membership or mining equipment a profitable investment? So it says we cannot guarantee that, of course. Nobody in crypto can guarantee that their token is going to do well. So tokenomics, what are the tokenomics here? There is a blog article. It takes you over to that. So let's just go over this before we wrap this video up here. So obviously it is a DAO token. That is a significant role for delegating, rewarding the network contributors. It's got a development fund, payment fees, cloud services, domain purchases, all use the Tomi token. So it says initial minting event, there's going to be 1,500 Pioneer Club memberships. So I assume those would be the minted NFTs there. And Tomi tokens, we are split up basically between marketing treasury, issued to founders and core team, issued to Pioneer purchasers. And then we got some going to the Art DAO contributors. And they're all vested all over different years. You got future daily auctions, early community pioneers, future sales founders, seed investors, initial core team, reserves, future core team, Art DAO rewards, development fund, initial marketing, and airdrops and community. It's all split up between that. So you can read more about this at Tomi.com. Pretty easy to find. And like I said, this token gets listed on Mexc Global on the 16th, and you can go over their full white paper if you want to as well. Very lengthy white paper. So yeah, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section, what do you guys think about this token? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there in the description box and get yourself some free crypto. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.